Hi everyone, welcome to Roy's Property Investment Diaries. Now, what is this channel all about, you may say? Well, it's different. You may have seen hundreds if not thousands of videos all on social media from various property investors and builders and people who claim that investing in property is so wonderful they make a fortune. Well, this channel is slightly different. Now, don't get me wrong, those of you who've seen me before, you probably know I've got lots of training courses that teaches you everything you need to know. But this channel is different because what it offers is reality. I'm going to take you on a journey whereby you'll join me on a day-to-day regular basis and you'll see exactly what I do. You'll see the ups and downs, ins and outs, the frustrations, the excitement, the people I work with, the network that I have to work with to get results. So whether you're flipping properties, whether you're renting properties, whether you're looking to convert properties, HMO, service accommodation, you name it, I'm going to take you on a journey where you'll see for real the properties that I invest in and the people I help to get where they want to be. You're going to see it all, but it can be great fun. So whereby you see all the glory that people claim property investment can bring, you're going to see it for real as you join me on my journey. And that's what this channel is all about, okay? I'm not going to hide anything, all right? Nothing at all. You're going to see it all. You're going to maybe see people in my family even, you know, the support I get from them and the help I get from them, the ups and downs and maybe the frustrations that they maybe feel on times when I'm out and about and maybe not spending a bit of time with them. But you're also going to see how valuable and what property investing can do for you and your family. So hopefully you'll be able to copy what I do. You'll be able to share comments, you'll be able to maybe get some advice from me, and I'd love to hear from you because if there's something that you'd like to see behind the scenes that maybe I'm not sharing or missing, I'd love to hear from you as well. So I hope you subscribe to this channel because I'm going to be updating it on a regular basis so that you can follow me on my journey and we can get everybody started to see if this is something that you'd like to do as we start this reality journey together.